Now let's set as our goal for this video to save the most time we possibly can. Let's say this will be about 7 minutes, so let's have that as our time to beat, and any time we save time will add up, so let's get to it. The biggest problem I noticed when trying to optimize my day and trying to optimize time in general is that sometimes there are just things you cannot get rid of. You can't stop brushing your teeth, you can't stop eating, you can't stop doing any of these regular daily activities. And at first I thought, well, shit, I won't ever have much more time than that, and these things will always be these crutches that I'll have to bear with. But the thing is, you can actually easily optimize this without any issue if you do something very simple. The answer is daily routines. So let me show you on my computer how I do that. Now you see here, this is my evening routine. I do all of these things and I give an additional pump to it by giving little checkboxes. I enjoy that, but it's not necessary. And the thing is, for each part of your day, either for your evening routine, for your morning routine, you can create lists of items, which normally there's no way I'd remember a list like that. There's literally no way I'll remember this. Organize your bed, well, that is easy to remember. But things like check your blood glucose levels, turn on the kettle, pour a cup of warm water, all these things, and you can add whatever you want here. The aim is to find a schedule that not only prepares you for the day, but takes very little time to do. With that, let's go on to the next level. I think it's an undeniably universal struggle to start working when you feel not really motivated to do so. So what I do is I create what's called a work entrance routine. As you can see, it clearly has different ways, different methods of focusing me and preventing me from thinking about, oh, this is gonna be so goddamn hard. This is gonna be horrible. We don't wanna think that. The goal is to think, okay, I am doing this step, I'm doing the second step, I'm doing a third step, and I'm done. And that's the goal, because you shouldn't be thinking about what you have to do, but rather, how can I prepare so whatever I do at work is the best it can possibly be. But you don't only have to use it at work. Let's say you want to enter exercising. You want to start exercising, but not really think, oh, my legs will hurt at the end. What you want to think about instead is, okay, let's put on my shoes. Let's put on my pants, my workout pants, my workout clothes. Let's get a water bottle. Let's get my backpack. You create little steps to get there without any strain, without any trouble. You don't have to climb up, fall off, and die. Instead, you just do it. Now, the last part, and I think this is the best by far implementation of this, and then that's to create procedures for work rather than do it for beginning work, which can be difficult in and of itself, or for beginning your day, which can also be difficult, but not so much. This almost always proves useful to people. So that's why I think it's the best, and let me show you exactly how that can work. All right, so what I have here is a procedure that I have for YouTube. So this video is actually recorded using these exact boxes. So first I went to ideation, then I decided which video is the best thing to make. Then I have a title and thumbnail to create, writing, recording A-roll. That's exactly what I'm doing right now. And then there's other steps which I do along the way to the end. So the point of doing things like that is to create workflows which just allow me to, as the name implies, flow from one point to the next, rather than thinking, oh, should I do animations now, or should I start cutting the video? Should I add special effects, transitions, generate new ideas for videos, or should I write something down? All of this is absolutely overwhelming, and I found that for months I struggled with, oh God, what do I do now? And this overwhelm is not productive, it wastes time, and there's no need for it, because you can create workflows like this and immediately get to work. So if you have difficult work, if you have something that you repeat often, but you always feel like it's overwhelming, that's the perfect solution for you. It really is. So now let's recap everything that I showed you. First, you got morning, evening, night routines, all of these things that you repeat every day, parts of your daily routine, in other words, that you just want to automate. You want to create repetitive and regular steps that you just go through without thinking. You make it a habit rather than having to think, oh, do I exercise now? Or do I drink my water? Where should I go? What should I do? You don't have to think about that. And that saves time. Then we have ways to simplify difficult work. You want to get right into work, stop thinking about what it'll be. You can easily do that by creating entrance routines. And the third thing, creating procedures. Procedures for difficult, challenging work. Create all of these steps which make what for me would be an immensely difficult and challenging task something very simple. And so, I hope I helped you save some time. And for now, bye.